Hello everyone and welcome back to another cabin tour. We are on P&O Iona, travelling towards the Norwegian Fjords, stopping off at Stavanger, Olden, Ålesund and Haugesund. We are in cabin 9718 on deck 9, which is above the clubhouse, at the back of the ship, above the clubhouse, and then just cabins above us. So let's take a look around the room. This is the bathroom. So it's pretty decently sized. Shower's pretty decently sized as well. There's quite a lot of space in there, to be honest. Pretty good. Got little hooks here where you can hook your towels onto. Some more hooks on the outside over here. We've bought some extra hooks to put on the wall, magnet hooks that can be put onto the wall, and then you can hang like your bags and everything and coats on, which is really handy, so it keeps the desk clear. But yep, so then we've got the desk here, a really nice big sofa with a nice little table that slots underneath the sofa. These are the wardrobes. So as you can see, there's a lot of hanging space, which is really good if you have loads of, like, you know, suits or dresses or, you know, polo shirts or stuff like that. Some shelves for your t-shirts and your shorts and jeans and stuff like that. And then this one, we've got some more hanging space, a safe and another shelf on top. So then you got a TV here, which is pretty decently sized as well. And then down here as well, you've got some more shelving space, which is what we're using for our snack cupboard. And then a little mini fridge as well. Got some more storage space here as well, which is what we're using for our medicines and everything. This is the bed. It's pretty decently sized. It's very comfortable as well. You've got a luggage mat, which you know, you can put your suitcase on so you don't ruin the bed. But you know, it's great to have. But yeah, so that's the inside of the cabin. And then on the outside of the cabin, so open the door like this. So we have two sun lounges and a little table outside, which is more than enough for the cabin that we need. Then there's like a little platform type of thing in front of our balcony, which, yeah, it's okay. It kind of restricts the view a little bit of the sea, but it's nothing to, you know, kick off about really. Although we have heard that where the obviously glass ends at the bottom, about here, if there's water on top of the roof, it actually overflows into our balcony bit, which we haven't experienced yet, but it will be interesting to see if that does happen. So yeah. And it turns out it did overflow. The water goes over the white lip into the drainage system, but it doesn't drain anywhere properly. So it ends up overflowing onto our balcony, which is a bit annoying. The other thing with this cabin is that obviously because it's above the clubhouse, and the clubhouse is on till about 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the morning, you do get a lot of, like, just the beat and the bass and everything from the speakers just hitting the ceiling basically, and you do hear a bit of like thudding now and then, but to be honest, it kind of sounds more like the ship, so you can't really, it's nothing to kick off about really. It's pretty fine. So yeah, the other things I want to show you is these. If I get one out, this is my Mrs. wardrobe. Because you only get a certain amount of hooks, or hangers, sorry, like here for example, we bought some extra hangers which are really useful to basically pack away. So what these do is these fold in on themselves like so. If I can do it like that, and then yeah, you put them in this little bag, and yeah, it's like when you want to use them again, you just open them up and hang your clothes on there. But yeah, so, and the other thing I was going to mention about was the was these metal hooks. So they're not big, they're very small. You can get different kgs. So they're 10 kg, which I was meant to get 20 kg, but yeah, it'll do. But at least it keeps the desk clear and the drawers clear and everything like that, so we can put some other stuff in there. But yeah, that's the cabin tour for deck 99718. I hope you find it interesting and useful, but yeah, it's pretty decently sized, to be fair. I really like it. It's just a standard balcony. Also, we put our suitcases underneath the bed, so at least the wardrobes are clear as well. So yeah. So yeah, I think that's it. We'll be doing videos of Norway as well, so keep on track with that, and yeah, press the bell button and you will know when the next video comes up for the next port of call or whatever I do. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. On the last night of your cruise, you'll have two options for disembarkation. You can either be allocated a time to leave the ship, in which case you'll need to leave your suitcase outside your cabin the night before for housekeeping to collect and take off the ship for you, like this. Alternatively, you can choose your self-disembarkation, where you must be out of your cabin by 8 AM and take your own luggage with you. To be honest, both options are a smooth and easy process. We hope you've enjoyed the cabin tour and found some helpful tips and tricks along the way. Thank you so much for watching. We'd really appreciate it if you could like, comment and subscribe, and to hit the bell button to stay updated. Stay tuned for our first port of call, which is in Stavanger, rich in Viking history and full of beautiful streets. It's a stop you don't want to miss. Thanks again for watching, and goodbye for now.